This video is for the dormer portion of the ranch home assignment using online SketchUp. So we're going to start out with our previous file with the middle portion deleted, and you're going to go to the Edsby assignment for the dormer, and you're going to download the .skp file. That should land in your downloads folder. Go over to here, and we're going to import that from my device. Click on my device once again. There it is in the downloads folder. Well, for mine, I click on downloads. There it is. And we're going to import it as a component. Click, and there it is. So once it's imported, if for whatever reason it's not blue, use the pointer, click on it to be blue. That's going to allow us to rotate, and I'm going to rotate it to put on the door portion first. I'm going to grab it by the corner using my move option, and I'm going to drop it off at that corner. I'm going to move over to this side here. And it's sticking over a bit. So let's use scale option. While it's still blue, press the S button on your keyboard. And we're going to grab this one here to move it in. And there we go. Get it as close as you can. It's not going to be perfect. There we go. Now over here, we want to make some adjustments. We want that beam to line up with the point. There we are. Let's see if we can get that to come down just a little bit. For this, it's probably better to be a little bit lower than a little bit higher. Okay, now that that's in place, we're going to use our control button, hold it, pick this up, and bring it over here. Once again, while it's still blue, let's rotate that 180 degrees. Let's drop it off. I'm going to drop it off on that side of the corner. Then I'm going to hit my scale, and there we go, about the same. Now we'll even up the beam. There we go. So the beams more or less are on top of each other. I get asked this quite often. A lot of people, these don't line up. No, they do not. And that's okay. As long as we have good fit here, and we have good fit up here, we're all good. Now, when you go on to the next assignment with the roof beam for the whole house, that roof beam is going to go through the dormer beam. And that's it for the dormer portion.